we still haven't tested if the loop works. First, let's just see if a 1-week data export will work. So I'm changing the today date in the loop to sometime in the next week, with this week being the week of 6 August 2017. Run the cell to accept the changes. Then run the test cell and we are getting a type error. Some time value must be string, not datetime time delta. Fix the error by deleting the string format out for these start dates, since when the functions would take those string values and add a time delta, it cannot be computed. Hence, we need to use the DT_date format for the function. Let's try this again by rerunning the cell we just amended and then rerunning our test cell. We do not get an error, but no output. Remember, we are in the else statement, as we do not have any previous data yet. We get no output because we have none as previous data. In our else statement, we do not enter the while loop, just what is before. And when we return the function, we return previous data. But we never updated that variable from none to the week's data we queried. So, in our first part of the else statement, we have to change the variable transformed data to previous data. This should do the trick. Hence, rerun our 2 cells and all is fine now. We get our week's output.